Hi everyone, we have Colantonio from TestMu
Yep.
here with us at STAREAST Conference. So my first question to you, Joe, everyone's talking so much about AI in testing, right?
Yep.
What are some tips that you can share with quality engineering teams who are evaluating or adopting AI into their testing workflow?
So I would think to not over expect. It's not a silver bullet. It's just like back in the day when people thought they'd bring in an automation tool that would do everything for you. So I'd be first, don't be afraid of it, but then embrace it and just try it slowly and implementing it to see how it can help. And obviously, it's not. Don't take it at face value. Make sure you work with it. Obviously, the more you work with it, the better it's going to get. I think a lot of times people have unrealistic expectations. They think it's going to solve everything. Be kind of take it into your organization and actually try it for yourself and slowly incorporate it and see what it could do. I think.
Solid advice. Thank you
It's
so much. Thank you so much, Joe. And the last question is, there is also this mind shift that needs to happen within
yeah.
organizations, especially when they need to adopt AI effectively. Any tips on that as well? How do engineering leaders ensure that mind shift is happening?
Right. I think quality. Once again, you have to set the expectations. Like this isn't to replace you; it's to augment you. So I use it all the time for my daily business, and it's not replacing me; it's augmenting me.
Yeah.
So if you're a tester, it's a great time to be alive because now you can utilize these tools with your testing knowledge, and then use the AI almost as an assistant. So you use it almost as like a coding partner,
Yeah.
where either you take what it says or not, but you as the tester thinks what it did, take the output, and then massage it to make it what it is. It's going to accelerate what you do, not replace you. And I think that's the best advice.
Awesome. Thank you so much, everyone. And don't forget to check out Test Guild. And Joe, thanks once again.
Awesome. Great being there. Thank you.